What's your name? Where you from?
Man, Marcus Weddle, man. I'm from Milwaukee, Wisconsin.
What you driving, bro?
Man, I got an 84 Monte Carlo SS from Buick, Kentucky, man. I've had this car since 2004, man. It's all original. Got a small block 350 in it, man. Just pretty much all original, man. Seats, everything is still original, man. Just gonna keep it in that condition, man. Rust-free car from Buick, Kentucky. Had it since 2004, man. Gonna keep working on it. Hey, Dad, open that door. Can you open that?
So you still working with him on the inside? Yeah.
Yes, sir, man. Got just starting to. I got all the console pieces. Man, I don't get a chance to drive him. I got everything to put them back together. Got the carpet done. I mean, I got all the pieces for the console. Got some music I'm gonna put in here, man. But that's pretty much the seats. I had this since 2004. The seats been done. Headliner been done. Like I said, I'm gonna put some new music in here. I got the console pieces to put back. I got some gauges on a new console piece up there. So just need to tighten it up a little bit, man. It need to be painted. You know, it needs some work, but it's a solid car, man.
We're gonna look for it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And what's the other one you got here?
We got an 84 Grand National. This original car, man. Everything is pretty much original on this. Outside of the tail lights are all blacked out. Just had this car for about a year now.
Okay.
So just really just working the kinks out, but everything original on this car as well. The owner, person I bought it from, put a lot of extra work into the engine.
Okay.
Get out of the way.
You're not in my way, it's your car. It's your car, you're not in my way.
Yeah.
You can't be out my way on your car.
Yeah, this is a regular turbo, man. Like I said, he added some braided lines, man. Turbo is new, stainless radiator. Just roll him, get him in the roll, man. Let's get him in the roll. Roll good on the highway. Hey, where your keys? Let me see the keys. I just want to open the door up for him. So what's unique? So this car put together, man. So what's unique about this car is they only made 2,000 of these. These seats only come specific to the 84.
See them never being seen now. See them smooth as a nail on a finger than file. Keeping it wild, but in the meanwhile, we the so this how we with my diamonds. Now people nigga climbing the clubs. Ain't no.
So these factory seats?
Yeah, these factory seats. It's a gentleman. It's a gentleman that the seats are named after. He's a designer. I don't want to misspoke his name, but if you look up a 1984 Buick Grand National, it'll reference the seats that are in here.
Okay, I'm gonna look it up. I'm gonna put it in the video.
Yeah.
Dope, man.
Appreciate it, man.
I appreciate you, brother.